So today we're going to be taking a look at how to update your listings on AcreValue. So for folks who are active real estate agents who have a listing subscription, this is how you're going to update listing on the website. So first things first, we are here at the AcreValue homepage. For folks who have an active listing subscription, in the navigation bar at the top of the screen, you'll see the option for Agent Portal. We're going to click this to be taken to the Agent Portal, which is where we will create, manage, and update the different listings that we do have. Um, Mainly in this menu, we'll want to hit this Create Listing button in order to create new listings here. So let's go ahead and create one. And immediately this will take us to another screen that has a map on the left-hand side and a section for general information on the right-hand side. And so on AcreValue, there's really two pieces to each listing. Number one is the ability to plot out the parcel on the map, right? So what I'm going to do here, I can enter an address or I can simply zoom into a particular location. Let's go find a parcel here. All right, so let's say my listing is this 40-acre plot right here. Let's go ahead and click on the property itself. What you'll notice is that I've selected the property boundary on AcreValue. This has populated the acreage within the right-hand menu here. If you would like to select a different property boundary, you can. All you need to do is hit this delete button to get rid of the previous boundary. And then if you want to, you can select a different parcel, or if it's going to be multiple parcels, you have the ability to select more than one. You can also use this polygon tool to be able to click and drop it in the corners of your plot. So I'm going to click another time. That's going to do another corner. Let's do one more click for this plot corner here, and then double click to finish. And that has locked in my white boundary for my property. Now, so this case, I am going to be listing as an example an 80-acre property. And we can see that the listing acreage has updated here as well. Now, that's the boundary side done. What we'll want to do afterwards is to put all of the other information about the listing that you want displayed on AcreValue. So that includes the title of the listing. Let's do the price, address, where is the property located, etc. You'll want to add all of the information that has asterisk. Those are required. And anything else that isn't required, it's still good to put a lot of information on here as well. A couple things to highlight. This piece here, listing link, if the property is listed on your own website or somewhere else, we're happy to provide that link here as well to kind of funnel folks back to your website if necessary. So if this listing is posted on your brokerage, feel free to paste the actual link to the listing on your brokerage's website within this text box here. Other things to note: description, detailed is as detailed as is good as possible. The other piece is that images are required. At least one, oftentimes several is recommended. So in order to upload an image, you'll want to hit this upload main image button here in order to select an image from your local computer. That'll pull open your Windows or Mac, wherever you're saving your images, and that'll allow you to drop in some images there. Finally, once you're ready to go, you can hit create listing, and that will lock in the listing. So I'm going to go ahead and if I were to do this, you can see that a whole bunch of information here is missing. So I'm going to go ahead and mention that once you do start to create your listing, the system will pause for a moment as it gathers all the information you've entered and then creates a new record on our end. Please do note that listings are updated and uploaded to the system every 6 hours. So you may not see it in the AcreValue site immediately, but you will see the update before the next day. Now, for more details on listings, there are some advanced detailed sections here at the top where you can add in things like, if you wanted to add an APN, maybe this listing is an auction, you want to put the auction date, you can. Feel free to look through different options here to provide more information to potential buyers. Definitely recommended. And otherwise, if you have any questions about creating this listing, you can always reach out to support@acrevalue.com. They'll be willing to help you get your listing up and running here on AcreValue.